unboxing in a little while. We've been focused on the tiny house. And this actually shipped some time ago, but, well, they told me it was shipping some time ago, but right about the time they told me they also moved their warehouse. This is from Farmertec, and this is the smallest of the JonCutters. It's the little 25cc limb saw, or top handle saw. So we're going to get right into it here. I had actually forgotten this was coming, and then it showed up yesterday afternoon, and I was like, hey, looky there. Comes with a bar this time. I did not realize that. Means there's probably also a chain and a little booklet. Isn't that a cute little guy? All right. Oh, and a toolkit. Good grief, they take the crap out of this one. There we go. So I actually didn't look to see how much this guy cost. I will do that and put it in the captions. But they sent it to me to review, so I did not pay for it. Look at that little guy. That's a tiny little saw, man. Wow, that's really light. I mean, really light. Let's see what it says here as to its weight. Specifications. 25.4 cc's. 25 to 1 fuel mix. I will run 40 to 1 in it. Dry weight is 3.2 kilograms, so 7 pounds, right around there. That's just the power head, so when you add the bar, you're probably right around 8 pounds. Kill switch is right up here by your thumb. That's nice. It does have a primer bulb. And apparently a very long screw on the air filter box. Foam air filter encased in plastic. Spark plugs right there. There's your choke. Okay, something's going on there. Well, let's find out what. I think this is the first intact toolkit that I've gotten from them. It does have a side tensioner too, and an adjustable oiler. Yeah, that's not disengaged, so it's going to be a booger to get off of there. Figure out why it's. Or no, there is a second bolt to get it off. Okay, that's kind of inconvenient. That means you've got to have two tools with you to change out your bar and chain. There we go. Now why is that not working? I do not know. Well, we'll figure that out in a sec. Let's get the bar on it. Like a 12-inch 3/8 pitch. Can't see the gauge. 050. 45 drive links. Oh, it's one of those. Move the tensioner forward. There we go. Yep. There it goes. It was just stiff. Alrighty. Yeah, that's a really stiff brake. Appears to work. Well, I suppose we should put some fuel and oil in it and take it out and try it out. I do not see why not, other than it's really damn cold outside again today. I think our high today is 24 Fahrenheit. But I'll take it. It's actually better than some of the days we've had recently. Yeah, that's a nice little saw. Alright guys, I'm going to put some fuel in it, and the next time you see me, we'll be out there. I think I'll go down and cut up those limbs that I took off the tree with the pole saw the other day. I put gas and oil in it and realized that it came with a bumper spike that I had not put on. So I'm going to do that real quick and decide I'd turn the camera back on. But yeah, I spilled gas all over it, filling it up too. I mean, all over it. Got all up in there. Yeah. Made a mess. There we go. Well, there's very little clearance between the muffler and the clutch, so getting the chain around there is kind of tricky. But a lot of these top handle saws are like that. My 192 is like that. There is a little tab inside of here, back at the back, that has to be put in first and then just swing it over. First time I've seen that on one, but it holds that from vibrating, I'm assuming. I like that they secure this thing this way, but I don't like that it's secured with a bolt. It does make getting into it kind of a pain. I suppose you don't really have to have that bolt in there, but then this is eventually going to vibrate and break, I would assume. But this is a G2500. And now we'll take it out and cut with it. Really? So we missed the cold start. I just cut all this up on, I thought, on camera, and then when I went over to shut the cameras off, they weren't on. So we'll try this again. Some days. Anyway, a couple things to point out. One is that it does have a clip on the back so that you can climb with it. You can hook into it and hang it from your saddle. And yeah, that was really all I needed to point out. Okay. Oh, I'll point this out. I don't know if you can see it on the camera. Maybe on the close-up camera you can, but there's deer shit right here. So one of my deer has been out here hanging out at this area. Anyway, let's show you how it cuts. It's already warmed up, obviously. It started on the first pull, by the way, on the cold start, but it does have a primer bolt, so once you juice it up, it gets gas up to the carbon. It's no problem. There's your deer proof right there. Anyway, guys, but yeah, it seems to be a good functioning little saw. It's not bogging down a lot, and it certainly gets the job done. I can't say that I have any complaints other than that silly little bolt right there, which I just don't really like it, because to get the bar off you have to have two different tools. But outside of that, you know, maybe if they put a regular flat screw right here so that you could use the same tool that you take the bar nut off with, maybe that'd be okay. But they have an Allen bolt in it, so otherwise, I'd say it's worth whatever it costs. It certainly has a better price on it than the G111, but it doesn't have the power of the G111, so that is something to kind of consider when you're getting into it. Would I, as a former tree professional climbing, would I use this as a climbing saw? Probably would give it a shot, because it's light. I mean, this is lighter than the G111 by a bit. So, why am I still wearing those? I can't even hear myself talk. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and remember, when we hit 20,000 subscribers, I'm giving away a chainsaw. I still haven't decided which one. Might be this one, I don't know. So, you're just going to have to help me get to 20,000 subscribers so we can find out. Thanks for watching. See you next time.